All thanks to creative computer skills I was made by this channel.
Let's dive into the world of creative computer skills and explore how innovation meets technology. Make sure you subscribe for updates on this channel.
Make sure to subscribe to this channel for updates.
You see that video you just watched right now? The lady and the guy that were talking. I made that video beginning with just a simple prompt to generate an image, and I turned it to a talking video just like this, and they're all very, very beautiful. You know one good thing about that? It was all done for free. Everything, both to get the script free, to generate the image, it was free, to turn that image to a talking video, all was done for free. And you can use it for your business. Okay? If you wish to do a kind of product demo, you wish to kind of advertise for your business, your sales and all of that, you can even make yours all by yourself. And I will show you how to actually do that on this particular video that you are about to watch. But you do me a favor, make sure you hit that subscribe button as we watch this video so that you don't miss anything on this very channel. Okay, so let's get started. In order for you to do this, first you need to open your ChatGPT in your browser. And if you're using your mobile phone, you can consider downloading the ChatGPT app on your browser. And once you've opened it, the next thing you need to do is to sign in if you've created an account. But if you've not created an account, you just sign up. It's just a simple step. Okay? Now, once you've done that, it will open up to an interface like this and give ChatGPT a kind of command in order for it to raise a prompt for that particular image you wish to generate. For me, I have this command that I'm giving to it. I said, I need an image of a beautiful lady dressed gorgeously and posed to speak with a mic in her hands. Generate a prompt for the image. Once I'm done doing that, I can just press my enter and you will see that it will immediately raise that prompt for me to kind of use it and generate my image. Now you can see it's already generating that prompt for me. You can see that. Now it went further to asking me, would you like the image to have specific background like a kind of conference stage, award event or church platform? That would help fine-tune the prompt for your purpose. Now if you look at this and you wish to kind of fine-tune it to a specific platform or thereabout, you can just select or just give it that particular command, and it allows you to interact with your ChatGPT so that you get the best out of it. But if you don't wish to go further from this, you can just copy this, okay, and you use another website that I wish to use. Or you can even ask ChatGPT to generate that image for you using this particular prompt. But for me, I've exceeded the maximum limit for me to generate an image for the day until around this time tomorrow that I will be able to generate another image. Okay? So if you've done this, you just come over to your image effects. You can go over to your Google, and once you come to Google, you just type image effects. With this image effects, we are going to pick this prompt that we have here and give it to our image effects. With that, it will be able to generate an image that looks exactly like what we have from this prompt. Okay? So that's just the next thing you need to do. You can see this very one, image effects, that is labs.google/effects. You can just click on it. And of course, you need to be sure that you are signed into your Gmail account to actually proceed with this. If you pick this prompt that we have here now and give it to your image effects, you can see here now you just paste that prompt. Okay, you can see I said create a photorealistic 16 by 9 image of a beautiful, confident lady dressed gorgeously in an elegant outfit, such as a stylish gown or a fashionable modern dress. She stands poised with a microphone in her hands, ready to speak with a graceful and charismatic expression. The background should suggest a professional or glamorous settings like a stage, conference, or event hall with soft lighting that highlights her presence. The overall mood should be inspiring, confident, and elegant. So once you paste that prompt here now, you just click on curate. Once you click on curate, just give it a little time for this image to generate. And you know, one good thing about image effects is that the image it generates a kind of looks similar with the same face. And so that's one good thing about it. Once you are done generating this image, you can see the images I have. Okay, so I will have a whole lot from this very place. I think this very one is very, very okay, and we can just pick it. Okay, just download it. Having downloaded this, the next thing we need to do is to go open our next tab and type grok.com. Grok.com is where we are going to perform the whole of this very magic that we wish to do by making this image to talk, behave anyhow we wish that this image should behave. Now you can see I'm into my grok.com platform. Grok.com is free, although it has also a pro version that has more features and capabilities. If you wish to upgrade, it is all left for you, but like I told you, you can still do all that we want to do in this video all for free, and it will not get any copyright strike for you. And so for you to proceed, you just click on Imagine. Once you click on Imagine, you see what others have done. Let me just remind you before I forget, you can still download it in your mobile phone and use it. Once you download it, make sure you sign into the grok.com and you get started in using it. You can see from here what others have done. If you click on this very video, you can see the kind of command that was given to this video in order for it to perform this way. He said the kids are eating, the dad is picking up food from across the table slowly. You can see that. And so you too can do this. And remember, this was an image that was generated and it was given this command in order for it to behave this way. I will show you how you can do your own as we proceed. Just let's go back. On this very place where you have type to imagine, you just click here and upload that image that we generated with our image effects. You can see it from here. Click open. Once you click on it, it will kind of imagine or a kind of process with that image that we've uploaded. You can even make it a kind of talk or to even a kind of just animate things like that. Okay, but once it does that way, you too can also manipulate it to give you the exact thing you did. You can just click on the volume. You can see what it has to say. You can see. You can see the way it behaves. You can just come here and type exactly what you want this image to say. Let's say you just write, she should say, I welcome you all to this conference. Sit tight and enjoy the show. So once you are done, you just click on display. It will also process this and give it that particular word to say. And one beautiful thing is that it will synchronize with the voice and everything will look so realistic. Kind of as if it is just a normal human being that is talking, not knowing that it is an AI video that is doing that. You can see.
I welcome you all to this conference.
You see
Sit
that.
tight and enjoy the show.
Oh,
I welcome you all to this
we got
conference.
We
Sit
got
tight and enjoy the
We
show.
got it. We got it. So, and that's what you can do. Once you are done doing all of this, you can just click on download and their video will download for you and you use it for any purpose you so wish to use it for. You know, you can use this to promote your business. You can use this to do all sort of things that you wish to do with video. And one thing is that you will not get copyright strike once you do it the right way. I believe you've enjoyed this video. Please consider hitting that subscribe button so that you get notified of when I make other videos as this for you on this particular channel. Because it's happening in this channel. Stay tight. It's happening in this channel. Why not give it a sub? Hit that subscribe button and I make sure that I get more things for you on this channel. Thank you.